Meaning of declaration.
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 Declaration. Declaration refers to the act of making a formal announcement or statement about something, usually in a written or verbal form. The purpose of a declaration can vary, ranging from stating one's intentions or beliefs to making an official proclamation. Declarations can also be used in legal contexts, such as declaring assets or making a formal statement in court. Overall, declarations are a way for individuals, organizations, or governments to assert their stance or position on a particular matter or issue.